Kim. Today I want to talk about my favorite school subject. I like my subjects from my favorite is science. Science is fun, interesting, and full of surprise. I enjoy learning about animals, the human body, space, and nature. Every lesson feels like a new adventure. In science class, we sometimes do experiments. Last month, we learned how plants grow. We planted seeds and watched them change every day. It was so cool to see the roots and leaves grow. I also like science because it answers many questions. For example, why does it rain? How do magnets work? Why do we need to sleep? Science helped me understand the world better. Our science teacher is also great. She explains things clearly and shows us fun videos. She always says science is not just in books, it's everywhere. That made me more curious and excited to learn. When I grow up, I want to be a scientist or science teacher. I want to discover new things and help people understand them. Learning science now will help me reach that dream. Thank you for listening to my speech. What is your favorite subject?